Okay, so before you get down to learning this move, there's a difference between knowing how a move is done and performing it, and that is really important in this scenario because this move is really angle sensitive. So while I'm going through the explanation, don't just focus on how the move is done, but I've covered points on how to perform it in front of a camera because this move is designed to be performed in front of a camera, not in real life scenarios. So make sure you watch the video very carefully and listen to the tips I mentioned along the way so that you'll be able to perform this move very easily in front of the camera. So now let's get down to the tutorial. Start off by flipping the deck so it faces upwards. Hold the deck with your thumb, middle and ring finger like so, and you don't really need to hold the deck with your pinky. As you can see, the deck is flat from the top, so what you're going to do is create a slope like this at an angle. So just twist the deck like this, creating this angle, and you're going to see this side pop out. Now you're going to take a single card from the top, turn that card face upwards. Now if you consider this half the deck, you're going to insert the card away from the half towards your left inside here. And insert the card and rotate it so it's at an angle with the deck and push it halfway through. So this is about half, and re-grip the deck in the biddle grip as I taught earlier. Now if you imagine a camera right about here, you're going to align the deck right at the eye of the camera so you can't see the card from the front that is outjogged at the back right over here. The goal is to hide that card. Now with your left hand you're going to basically get into the Spider-Man kind of grip, and you're going to keep your knuckle flattened, the top portion flattened with your meat of your palm. So you're going to hold it like this, a packet over here, and you're going to hold another packet over here. So this is the gripping. Now break a packet by refilling it with your thumb, and you're going to catch it here. And stop right about here, so the other packet should have the card inside it. Grip the packet, and you're going to keep your right hand exactly in this position. Don't move it anywhere. Keep it aligned with the camera. And you're going to now pivot your left hand so it faces up from here to here, and you're going to grip it with your pinky and index, squeeze it, and keep these packets aligned, pinky and index. And remember to keep this packet aligned with the eye level of the camera. Now you're going to take a single card from here, from the back of this packet, and grip it between your thumb and index, and you're going to use your middle finger to flip this card face up, and you're going to grip it with your middle, ring and thumb. Push your middle and ring towards your thumb and grip it with like this. So you're basically clipping it with your thumb here, and let go of your pinky so it pops out, and this is the grip. Now remember to keep this aligned with the camera the entire time, and you're going to insert the card at an angle. So push it inside at an angle, and once it's inserted, you can now bend the card slightly so it faces towards the camera. like this. There's a slight bend, and continue pushing it inside. Remember to not accidentally push forward or it will flash from the front. So remember to continue pushing it and just stop right over here. So you're pushing it and let go of your thumb. So in motion, you let go of your thumb and move your hand forward and clip this card with your bottom two fingers. So you're basically gripping this card with your middle ring and pinky and slide it forward. So again, in flow, it's kind of supposed to look like this. And that's pretty much it. And remember to keep the back card that's inside aligned with the camera, and the closer it's up to you. Just make sure the back card doesn't flash. And that's pretty much it.